Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Here is a GEC Mackay ceiling fan, 48 inch. This is another fan from Lachlan. Now you guys may have seen this fan in a few of his videos. He hasn't actually made an actual video of this fan, but you would have seen this fan in a few videos. Lachlan got this new unbox on Marketplace. Now I don't have the box because I didn't want it, so he still has it, but he's gonna chuck it because he doesn't have any use for it, so yeah. But I do have its original controller. Here it is, GEC. So, and in person this controller is so tiny. On camera it looks big, but in person it's very tiny. So yeah. It's not on a controller or anything, it's just on a plug connected to power, which goes straight to high. Eventually I'll do another video of this fan on its original controller at some point, so yeah. But let's turn it on. This fan's dated back in 1980, made in Hong Kong. Now these fans, the Mackays and the Raffles, they're not really the best fans. Like, they do look nice, but they're a bit boring, you know. Like, it's a little bit boring. It's nice, but it's a bit boring. And it doesn't spin really fast at all. It doesn't blow a lot of air. So, yeah. This thing doesn't have a bad capacitor. The capacitor's still good, but this is how fast it goes. So, yeah. Like, if you're standing right up against it, you can feel lots of air from, like, but if it's hanging on a higher ceiling, then you can't really feel anything, so, yeah. But I'll keep it, it's nice. You know, obviously, if you're wondering why there is a dip side to hold the canopy, because, when Lachlan got it, it did not came with the, I believe it was just the top screw. It didn't came with the, top screw, so, yeah. So, he just put a zip tie on it. But I think I do have a small screw somewhere that would fit in for the canopy. Alright, now I'm going to turn it off. I think I might be the first person to actually do an actual video on a Mackay ceiling fan, which is pretty cool, I think. I think I might be the first one to do this, but you never know. Alright guys, now it's stopped. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.